welcome back to my bathroom where we do basic tutorials for basic normal people that really don't know what the heck they're doing with their makeup, which is me. I bought today at Ulta the KKW Beauty Lipstick and Highlight combo. Obviously, I always think I can't afford their stuff because it's really expensive online and I don't want to get it without trying it. So Ulta is now selling this, so I swatched it because I saw the highlight and was just curious. First impression, I don't like that it's a combo because I'm never really going to use this lipstick color, but I like the box. I don't know if you can see it's snake print. I'm a big fan of snake print. It's my thing, so you work it, Kim, you work it. Kylie Jenner has released some of the best makeup I have ever tried in my life, and I hate to say it, her lip kits, I cannot buy cheap lipstick anymore. It's not gonna happen. Her stuff is rock solid. So I'm gonna show you guys the highlight. This highlight is called Tempting. Again, it's the duo set. I'll swatch the lipstick for you too. First impression, I'm like, okay, this is kind of small. This is, oh, let me shut my mouth. This is 3.35 grams, and I'm gonna compare it to my Tarte highlight. Hold on. So my Tarte highlight is, my Tarte highlight is 5.6 grams, and I think my Tarte highlight is pretty much the same price. So anyway, I'm going to swatch it next to the Tarte highlight because Tarte is my favorite highlight. I've tried a bunch of highlights, and this is one of the best ones. So this one is called Exposed Highlight. I'm going to swatch it real quick right here. It's really hard to see, but yes, girl. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. What you know about it. Okay, so that's that swatch. So I'm going to swatch it next to Tarte because it's important that we have kind of a comparison to what we like, okay? So this one again is called Tempting, and I can't open the case because, oh my god, I thought I scratched it. Okay, anyway, so that's what it looks like. It has the little mirror, which is cool, okay? Again, 3.35 grams, which it's okay. It's not a lot, I don't feel, but it's not a little, so I don't know. But so it actually looks just like, hold on, you guys, shut up. Somebody copied you, Tarte. I don't know if they're aware or not, but yes, that's pretty much the same color. Like, I'm not even kidding you guys. I'm not even kidding you. Tarte, if you don't know that, or like, look at that. If you don't know that, you should probably sue because this is literally your highlight, but in smaller. I have red on my chin because I think my lipstick came off. I don't know. But this isn't Kylie. This is some L'Oreal stuff. Anyway. Okay, so we're going to do a few rubs on here. Whoa. Okay. It picks up a lot, which I'm a big fan of. So, again, we have the Tarte highlight. And that's the Kim highlight. Now, tell me that that does not look the same to you. Hers is a little bit more pigmented, but I might have just got a little more on my finger. But tell me that she did not copy Tarte. I'm kind of mad. Kim K, you should be sued. You guys, that literally looks like the same highlight. I can't even get over it. And hers is more expensive for less pounds, or less pounds. 5.6 grams and 3.3 grams. You guys, that is the same highlight. Like, I'm flabbergasted that I even bought this. And it doesn't even smell good. Tarte smells delicious. I mean, I'm going to use it because I like Tarte, so I'll just keep it. But it's a little more chromy, I will give it that, but it's not much different, to be, like, really frankly honest with you. So I'm, like, really bothered right now. I don't know, I'm really bothered about it. Okay, so anyways, this is the lipstick. It's called Enchanting. It came in the package. This is 4 grams. Looks like so. The packaging is kind of stupid. I kind of think it's cheap. It's a brown. It almost looks like that, huh? So I'm going to swatch it for you guys. I already have, okay, let's just swatch it here. I have swatches everywhere. I went to Ulta. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay. You guys, I just cannot believe it. I just, hold your horses. Okay, this is what I'm wearing right now. This is the L'Oreal 980 Rebel Rouge color. Okay, that's, just hold your horses. Just, oh. I am so shook right now. I am so shook. Oh my God. She's unoriginal, Kim. You took from other people. And this is literally $5. And this is literally like $30. So I'm gonna say that I'm gonna return this and I'm gonna show Ulta my video and tell them that this is bullshit. I'm so disappointed because Kylie did her own thing, Kim. You literally copied Tarte in your highlight and you literally copied L'Oreal. Like, I cannot. It's just ironic that I even have this color, but are you shitting me? I'm gonna try a test to see like which comes off with the makeup wipe, because maybe it's a better, okay. So it's a little better of a formula, obviously. It's better of a formula, but it's gonna stain your lips. That's not cool. Like, yeah. So I'm gonna do this. This too. This is Kim, and this is Tarte. So I mean, realistically, it's the same thing. I'm so shook.